Good morning, everyone. I am K. Palanivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, going to the subject Statistics and Numerical Methods for second year Agriculture and Food Technology students. Topic Gauss Elimination Method. Title A Case Study on Efficient Genericity using Gauss Elimination Method. First of all, going to the abstract. A Gauss elimination algorithm is in fact an algorithm family. Common implementations contain at least 6 mostly independent design choices. A generic implementation can easily be parameterized by all these design choices, but this usually leads to slow and bloated code. Using meta staging facilities, we show how we can produce a natural and type safe implementation of Gauss elimination which express its design choices at code generation time, show that these choices can effectively be specialized away and where the resulting code is quite efficient. Next, going to the introduction. Gauss elimination is fundamental algorithm in computational mathematics as it finds uses in many areas of mathematics. Quite a number of variants on the basic algorithms have been invented over the years, but the basic algorithm persists through all variants and analysis of the source code for the libraries appears large commercial computer algebra systems found 35 different implementations of Gauss elimination and at least as many more implementations of highly related algorithms. LU factorization, Cholesky factorization, reduction of Smith normal form, linear equation solving, etc. etc. There was little actual code duplication between these implementations as they are embodied a certain set of design decisions that we hard coded. As these design decisions have measurable effect on the actual shape of the code, there was a little obvious opportunity for abstraction. However, since the authors of the code knew that the underlying algorithm was all the choices was all the same, it would have been possible to use higher order functions to parameterize these choices. On the other hand, a number of these variants are rather esoteric or depend on quite subtle properties of the underlying domain at hand certainly. And average users who know they needed to use Gauss elimination would not be expected to understand all these choices and furnish the appropriate functions that thus it is still necessary to expose this algorithm via different specialized interfaces, but even when there were parameterization opportunities, the ensuring losses of efficiency between the generic code versus the specialized code up to factor of 30 in part of the due to fact that mapples as likely pipeline stall and catch miss would produce the similar overhead. The natural reinforced the idea that all these versions need to be coded separately. This clearly leads to maintenance nightmare. Thus, we seek to answer the question: is it possible to write a generic yet efficient Gauss elimination algorithm? And also some mild invariants are also guaranteed to hold, although the result may be still obvious. However, since the authors of the code knew the underlying algorithm was all the same, it would have been possible to use higher order functions to parameterize these choices. That it is still necessary to expose the algorithm via different specialized interfaces. But even when there were parameterization opportunities ensuring loss of efficiency between the generic code versus the specialized code, maple reflection reification are somewhat more type safe than some schemes, like in scheme is not possible in Rayleigh procedures. Next, going to the algorithm. The concept of program family is now an integral part of software engineering, at least at the design level. This involves abstracting all the common parts of family of related programs and designing both the common parts and the variation point right at the outset. This concept of program family can apply to very small programs, even programs made up of just one function, as in our case. Generic and generative program. While one common find many different reasons of generic programming, all decent programmers intentionally dislike code duplication. Code duplication is sometimes tolerated for two reasons: a poor programming language which does not have proper abstraction mechanisms to unify certain language idioms and efficiency. These issues are not independent. Many abstractions mechanism generally incur a runtime cost. Next, we go into the contribution. The principal The principal features and contributions of this article are a through analysis of a real situation, the use of staging for code configuration and clone management, the analysis of imperative style code instead of functional as is more customary, cleanly documenting and exposing all design type choices at staging time, the use of stage passing style for staging, and the use of dictionary passing at staging time. We carefully show how turning this algorithm into sequence of code generations can be done in such a way as to not introduce any staging artifacts. We then show how to insert a particular design choice into the stacked version, and Fisher is no artifacts property. Section 4 then introduce the various techniques used in the complete stacking of the Gauss elimination method. Only short example are provided to illustrate the concept, but the complete source code is included in an appendix. Appendix. The Gauss elimination is after quick review of the Gauss elimination algorithm. This section reads some examples of Gauss elimination implementations from SLED to get an idea of some of the design points involved. This is followed by a more through analysis of the design points were encountered and which of these those will be explicitly treated in this case study. We draw particular attention to those design points which are not fully orthogonal to other design points, as these need special handling to avoid producing inconsistent or meaningless code. Finally, we go into the conclusion. We have shown how to combine several techniques, namely combinatory, abstract interpretation, state passing style, and dictionary passing at stacking time can be carefully and successfully combined to achieve our goals of writing a generic efficient. Next, type safe implementation of the Gauss elimination family of algorithms. Furthermore, the generated code does not include unnecessary artifacts introduced by generalizing the code over several design points. Next, it should be easily to see these techniques generalized immediately to the larger family of algorithms. Done. Thank you. Thank you for watching the case study.